So after the church, went our way to that Pantheon now, which is 3 minutes walk from the church. Lots of restaurants.
There's restaurants here.
Yeah. Maybe we'll have lunch here before going to Colosseum.
Going to where?
To the Colosseum. Or we have lunch after Colosseum. See, there it is.
What's this?
The Pantheon. So that's the Pantheon. We'll take you inside as well. It's the Pantheon.
Hard visa. Hard visa.
Mm-hmm. There's a €5 entrance fee now. Used to be free, I think. You wanna go in and you can take videos inside?
Where do you get the tickets?
Yeah.
Where?
You have to scan there. Here. Oh, there, oh. Ticket office.
We'll go in there.
Huh? You go inside.
Cash payment.
Huh?
It's cash payment.
No. You got debit card, of course. Ah, cash payment. This is the entrance fee.
Weil die mich alle ansprechen.
Kan je me spin, no?
Good?
Yeah, okay. But, hello guys.
中学英語もできない俺が。そうそうそう。俺も中学英語小学校。
See? Tiramisu. Macarons. You try macarons? Oh, that one. Oh, I tried that in Nice. It's like...
It's got a standard
Mm.
ice cream.
What you want? Mango?
I want mentai gelato.
Men.
Mentai chocolate. Oh my. Mentai sio.
In a cone? In a cone?
Yes, in a cone. With a pistachio.
With a
thing.
pistachio.
Yeah, because that looks good with the green.
Oh, yeah.
What's happened?
He wants one.
So, can I have mint and chocolate, please?
Chocolate? The same form?
You
I
want
have,
some?
this one.
Yes.
What's that? Pistachio. Yes, please.
Pistachio. Looks nice.
Jasmine chocolate.
Pardon?
Jasmine chocolate.
Yes, please.
Because you can mix if you want.
You want another flavor?
Mint chocolate and let's go with mint
Mango?
chocolate.
Okay.
Mango, yeah, I'll try.
It's not mango, it's lemon. Oh, yeah, mango. Ano?
Mint chocolate and mango.
Yeah, mint chocolate and mango. It's a weird combination.
Oh, see? Strawberry.
Fruity di Bosco.
Look at
You want
that.
macaron? Some of your ice cream?
Yes, please.
Oh.
Mint, please. Yes, please.
It's nice there.
Damn, it's like loaded. It's like
Huh?
the most loaded ice cream I've ever
Loaded
had.
na.
Thanks.
Oh my god, nice. Your birthday treat, yeah?
That's it.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, ayun. Oh, see?
Grazie.
You can finish it. It's quite big. Ano? Oreo? Is it Oreo? Look at that. Mm. Nice. Nice, and